guys, I got free shot. Did that, Kevin? So I'm gonna log in. Ha! But it really took long for my dad to call. Oh my god. I was so happy. Oh my god, I'm shaky. Ooh. Password wrong. No candy. Just kidding, 'cause I love candy for your information if you tried. Awkward. What? Who the heck is you? What the? Is that pretty Supergirl Pinky? Wait, what did he say? I got free shot. Yeah. Yeah. You could curse, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, that's scary. Sorry, Poopy. Now I can say Anna, whatever. Awesome. I'm gonna throw it. This is a lie. I can say Facebook. Look, Wendy. Oh. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do that again. my god. I could say any word. Yes. No, no, yo solamente me gusta hacer como las faces, la voice, ¿no? No, porque si yo puedo, they could suspend me, yo no quiero estar suspended. No way. Okay, I'm put on Pikachu. Dirt. She loves the word dirt. This is the life. Alex is up here 21 too. That'd be awesome. Now I'm scared because every time I write a word, wait, what the? Oh my god. Okay. Yay. Oh my god, I'm tired of just. Oh my god. Tired of just put ones. That's a freaking like bluish purple. Yeah, you're right, purple. Dang, how much? Oh my god. I'm gonna lie to her. I'm gonna lie to her. I'm gonna lie to her. No, no, no. Unfair. Okay. Let's just do that. I said poop. Yeah. Yeah. What's his name again? Pikachu. Lemonade stand to the rescue of Pikachu's Timber Dance. Okay, that didn't make any sense. No. Pacrivil? Not because I'm recording. Me and it's okay. Mira, tú sabes algo. You know, ahora ella la stepdaughter. Yo estoy con ella hablando. Yeah. She's like, I said, she asked me, "Are you recording?" And I was like, "Yeah." Say hi. And then she was like, "Seriously?" And then, yeah, pero ahora yo puedo decir todo lo que yo quiero. Yo puedo poner la nombre que yo quiero, todo. Pero antes no podía porque tenía que verlo si la parents quería. So she wants membership and she says she wants a Walmart and I'm telling her, if y'all go with me one day I'll show you. And I told her where is it at, so cause she want membership. So I can say honey boo boo. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do. Cause I only have, let me see, 14 more days. I have enough, but you know, just in case. I have a Pikachu bunny. Pikachu wanna fart. I put Pikachu wanna fart. This is awesome. Having free shot. Oh my god. What? So beta. Let's make a nice. Let's make a nice one. Oh yes. I can say anything I want. Unless I don't want to say cursing words. So yeah guys. Video's almost over. It's 14:31.